everybody. So today it's dark. Hold on. Okay, so today I have this story. And hold on. This is my sister. I'm just watching a video. Okay. So you could hear her watching. But yeah, I showed you a couple of videos of it. But you know. Hold on guys. I'm gonna have to eat breakfast or lunch. I don't know. We are going to the trampoline park, maybe, and we will probably make a video at the trampoline park. We're going to make a video at the trampoline park. So we will see you guys probably at the trampoline park. We gotta go. Bye guys.